Whoops. I got to turn down a little bit early here. Okay. I hope you can follow this. Here you got your back seat. Here you got your leg. And unfortunately, this is your leg. Okay. Unfortunately, your legs can't be in one piece like over here on the AC side because the AC is too far this way. So I got to jog up here about 6 inches or so and over and up on one side only. The other side can stay. Okay, so here is the wrong calculation. So over here on the other side, this here is for the long leg. That's this leg here, and for the short leg, that's this here. So that's how long the pieces are for both legs. So that's what's going to happen. We cut up one of these here leg pieces and jog the legs so that they jog over the top of the AC unit. Wouldn't that be fun? Okay, so that's how it goes. So theoretically, you know, you've seen it. Okay, here you see the unaltered leg unit. There's one of them, the other one's sitting on the bench. Okay, and here is a zoom in. That is the dimensions for the 10-inch leg, which of course would be this guy here. And this here dimension is for the 8.5-inch leg, which of course is here. And they're both shown in this wonderfully accurate pencil drawing, which I made with my own hands. Okay, presto changeo. Same thing, only different. Hey? And that looked easy to you, I bet. Not so easy. Well, you get the idea. Okay, well, it's kind of tack welded, and it fits in the car. So there you go. Seems viable. Just gotta connect the dots, and then we'll be ready to go.